Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple ways you can protect and grow your money. These are methods I've personally used, and they truly work. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you understand each step completely. Step 1. Create a budget. Do you know where your money is going? Write down your monthly income and expenses, and cut out unnecessary spending. Use a simple budgeting app like Mint or Anab to stay organized. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable. Illness, job loss, or unexpected expenses can happen anytime. Always keep at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved for emergencies. Step 3, and the most important, invest your money. Saving alone won't grow your wealth, you need to invest it. Start small with the stock market, mutual funds, or even crypto. Always keep a diversified portfolio to reduce risk. Step 4. Control your debt. Avoid high-interest credit cards and loans. Pay off the debts with the highest interest rates first. This is crucial for your long-term financial health. Step 5. Build passive income sources. Increase your earnings through online businesses, YouTube, freelancing, or rental property. In the long run, this will help you achieve true financial freedom. So friends, these were 5 simple ways to grow your money. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new tips. And let me know in the comments, which step are you going to start with first?